So cringy. Yeah. This is cool.
It wouldn't fit my wallet. Left the barcode intact. Come on, Joker.
Where's Tegan? Where did Tegan go? Where's Tegan? Yeah.
Maybe we can get like 87 packages.
That's crazy. Where's Tegan? There he is. What are you looking for? What's Marlo looking for? A ton of makeup. That's what Marlo's looking for. Marlo should get a ton of makeup, huh? Look. Hey, Where's that?
Okay, I don't know what I want to get. Come on.
What? We are in Target, and Dad's got a gift card, and we're spending it on Marlo's
For my
birthday.
camera.
What?
Damn.
Oh, where is it? Right here?
It's somewhere in the store. I'm counting on you high-tech people for the rest.
For what?
Did you recognize what card it used?
A
What are we
memory card
getting?
for my camera?
Do they have those here?
What are you trying to say? My camera's old?
No, I just don't think that they would sell technology.
Technology. Yeah, they probably do.
SD cards at Target.
Technology. Yeah, you're dropping this. Right, like right in here. Bazam.
I feel like yours is like a
Look
specific
at, I
kind.
ransomed Marlo. Marlo can find them.
Yeah.
I got me some 15, 16-year-old-ish electronic savvy right here. Yeah. It's like
Yeah, I mean, look at Tegan.
Savvy transplant.
Look at Tegan. He's already like on it, Dad. He's on it.
Where is it, Tegan? You can smell stuff like that.
I found a Tegan in his natural habitat.
You need a phone case.
I need one too, but I'm not gonna get one. I want to get a new phone first before I get a new case.
I even think this sell my kind of case too.
Come over twice a week and act in the house.
That's so fun. Look at Dad.
Oh boy.
That's so fun.